Still close. Injured. Oh. No. It's all right.
This entire animated film was created from just one reference image and a simple story idea. This AI video agent uses the latest Seedance 2 model to create long-form AI films. Instead of struggling to build every shot separately, you can continue one clip into the next scene while keeping the character and environment consistent throughout the entire video. You can also create multiple scenes by simply entering each scene prompt along with its duration, and the tool will generate the full video in a single run. You can enhance the prompts so the shots become more consistent and better aligned with Seedance 2. Normally, Seedance only allows videos up to 15 seconds, but with this video agent, you can create videos with a much longer duration, making it far more useful for storytelling and full animation sequences. One of the best features is that you can edit your clips by removing any unwanted parts, so the final animation looks smoother, cleaner, and more polished. With this AI video agent, you can generate many types of videos, including UGC ads, cinematic scenes, and much more. So in this video, we are going to test this tool using the Seedance 2 model to create cinematic scenes, and then build a longer animation video step by step so you can see how it actually performs. And to make things easier, I have prepared a custom GPT. You just need to enter a story idea, and it will generate the character along with scene-by-scene prompts for the entire story. So, without further delay, let's get started. TopView is an amazing website for generating stunning videos using the latest AI video models. Recently, it introduced Video Agent 2 with the integration of the Seedance 2 model to make videos more realistic and consistent. By clicking the link in the description, you can access this tool. Right now, by subscribing to its Ultra plan, you can get Seedance 2 for unlimited generations for a full year at a 67% discounted price. You can also check out the other plans. Let's start with a simple text prompt to generate a rain-soaked battlefield scene where two warriors struggle to stand, slipping and grappling in close combat. I have not added any camera or environment settings. I have also not added a reference image. We have two modes, standard and fast. I will go with standard mode. Choose the landscape aspect ratio with 1080p resolution. You can generate up to a 300-second clip in a single run, but I will start with a 15-second scene for now. Simply click on the Generate button, and you will be directed to a chat-style interface. Here, you can see that the entire 15-second scene is divided into second-by-second shots. Click on the Insert button, and your prompt will be pasted here. Now, click on Generate to create the video. And here we have the output. The result looks impressive, with smooth camera movement, clean scene transitions, and strong character consistency. Even the scene sound is automatically added without any extra instructions. Overall, the video quality looks excellent. Now, click on the Agent option to start creating a complete animation film from scratch. Go to the custom GPT and paste this story idea. A hunter tracks an injured animal through the forest, ready to kill, but after seeing it struggle, he chooses to help instead. As trust slowly builds between them, he makes a final decision and lets it go, walking away changed by compassion. Click on Generate, and you will get the character image prompts along with scene-by-scene prompts, including video duration, dialogue, and sound. Copy the first character prompt and go back to the tool. Select the image option. Paste the prompt. Choose the Nano Banana 2 model, set the number of images, and click Generate. And here we have the main character images. Both look good, but I will go with the first one. Now, click on the video option. Copy the first scene prompt and paste it here. Select the first image as a reference. Set the video duration to 6 seconds with 720p resolution. Based on the prompt, you can choose any prompt enhancement option, but I will go with the default settings. Click Generate and wait for a couple of minutes. And here we have the first scene video. The output looks great, with smooth camera movement and clean transitions. The character remains consistent throughout the shot. For the next scene, I will use the Extend Clip option. Now copy the text with dialogue and sound. Paste the prompt here and click Generate. Here we have the extended shot from the first scene.
Still close.
This looks very impressive, with accurate facial expressions, proper sound, and consistent visuals throughout. For the next scene, you can either use the Extend feature or another powerful feature of this tool to generate multiple scenes at once. Copy the second scene prompt and paste it here. Set the video duration to 8 seconds. Use the Enhance button to break the shot into second-by-second segments for better results. Here we have the modified prompt. Now copy the third scene prompt and paste it here. At this point, multiple scene prompts have been added. Using the Enhance button will refine all scene prompts automatically. Click Generate, and all the scenes will start rendering one by one. Now all the clips are ready. You can review the video quality and consistency throughout. The environment, character clothing, and overall visuals remain consistent and match the story perfectly. Now all the clips are aligned together. You can adjust them by removing unwanted parts or regenerating clips if needed. Once everything is ready, click on the Export button to download the full video or download each clip separately. This video agent is extremely powerful for generating long-form videos with strong consistency and smooth transitions. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.